In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your camera on and off during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I'm in a meeting here and time is running, and I'll show you how you can turn the camera on and off during the meeting. So currently the camera is on. I've only used this sample to represent the camera that is on. This is a virtual camera, and if you wish to turn the camera off if it was on, then head to this camera and you can see we have an option to turn the camera off. You can also do the same by using a combination of Ctrl+Shift+O. So if I click on it, I'll have turned off the camera, and as you can see, the camera is no longer in use. However, if your issue is your camera is not on or it's not turned on, you will know that by looking at this camera, and you can see we have a cross, meaning the camera is turned off. To turn on the camera, click on it, and this will turn on the camera. So that's how you can turn the camera on and off in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.